AI in driverless car, how it works. Autopilot or driverless car have been an important addition for customers who adhere strictly to the no fossil fuel rule. Especially since the demand for electric vehicles has increased significantly, international automakers have already adopted the driverless car as their main feature to make drivers' journey smooth. According to NDTV, the demand for electric vehicles is expected to grow and reach 17 million by the end of 2030. In April 2019, Tesla introduced autopilot system as standard features in all its vehicles. The company's ADAS enables automatic steering, acceleration, braking, lane changing, and parking. Other international companies are trying to take a pie in the autopilot car market. A number of videos have been made of the feature, and some of us may already have experienced it on XUV700 from the Indian car manufacturer Mahindra. The whole autopilot system falls under deep learning and computer vision. Deep learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that mimics human intelligence. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and comprehend visual information. By analyzing images from videos and employing deep learning models, machines can identify and classify objects accurately. So let us deep dive to understand how AI plays an important role in developing autopilot systems. Like the human brain, deep learning model consists of neural layers where each neuron recognizes a particular feature and sends it to the next layer. A CPU of a driverless car uses millions of images such as people, lanes, traffic lights, and animals to train its classification system, which are then transmitted to computer vision where they are processed for better recognition and sent for the object classification using deep learning. The deep learning model classifies the objects based on its training for a better understanding of the objects. So let us discuss some of the important sensors used in a driverless car. LiDAR. Autonomous car companies typically use dual camera LiDAR sensors, which combine 3D data from a LiDAR sensor with 2D data from cameras. LiDAR, light detection and ranging, uses laser pulse to measure distant ranges by using remote sensing. By targeting an object with laser and measuring how long it takes for the reflected light to return to the sensor, the distance to the object is calculated. Radar and sonar. Radar and sonar are used to detect large objects made up of solid materials at short distances. The last one is GPS. GPS with the map is trained to pick up shortest route possible considering charging stations with the help of deep learning. With the help of AI and sensors, the electric vehicle is able to detect real-world conditions just like humans. AI in driverless car has helped in reducing accidents. Safety features such as lane centering assist, pedestrian and rear automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alerts are implemented. With further advancement in AI, complete automation and efficient electric car battery management can be achieved. This helps customers to travel long distances effortlessly and efficiently without touching the steering wheels or gas pedal. You can keep up with Insight by liking, sharing, and commenting. Click on the bell icon to get updates whenever we publish new content on data science and AI. Thank you.